So here I'm discuss very important topic, how to enable for each video montage option, means for any purpose how to enable your YouTube video monetization. So how many type of ads will be displayed in each and every particular video. So coming to each and every video, the option call is video manager. When coming to video manager, we can check any YouTube channel two type of ads. One is a green, second will be yellow. When getting any yellow ads, your account will be getting for less revenue or no revenue. When your channel will be green ads, your earning will be too good and more performance. Any earnings will depend by the less than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, we can't create the manual ads. More than 10 minutes, we can create the manual ads. Simple here. Here I am showing for a number of videos. Everything will be less than 2 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Now we come into here, more than 10 minutes video. So I'm searching for more than 10 minutes video here. How to check? My video is a monetization enable or disable. When play the video, in a below in the streamline, they're showing for yellow type of lines. These are nothing but your ad is approved. How to check? Simple one here. Just go for edit. You can create for total 5 type of ads on your particular YouTube channel for monetization purpose. Default will be display. Second one, overlay ad. Sponsor cards. Sponsor card visible by the any people watching the video. They will be showing for here will be sponsor cards. They will be showing for sponsor cards, and the monetization will be here will be total manual ads. After click for save changes. Display is a default. We can't enable and disable for display ads. Overlay will be nothing but when video will be playing in the line of stream, they're showing for ads. That is called overlay ads. This is called your overlay ad. Next one, sponsor card will display by here is the sponsor card. Next one, non-skippable and skippable. When play the video before, they showing for skippable and non-skippable videos. Total each video will display by monetization total 5 type of ads. Display ad, overlay ad, sponsor card, skippable video ads and non-skippable video ads. This is called any will be possible for YouTube channel. More any will be if you require. Go for skippable and non-skippable video ads.